can't wait to show you the mistakes. Cha-cha forward locks. Step on a straight leg, imagine 2 chopsticks. Then you bring it together, open your chopsticks, and then forward. Because you want to keep it stiff. And in, and then chopsticks. Open it up.
Toenail stays on the floor, so you just keep that in contact. Toe on the ground. Keep that back ball, that foot on the ground. Boom, right there. Toe stays on the floor. And big toenail right on the floor. Bam, there it is. Ball of the foot. Keep that toe right here. This is one where people usually mess up. They go like that with the heel. Don't do that. Toe on the ground. And toes, toes, toes. You knows what I'm saying.
You want to make sure in the middle step, you're tucking that back knee into the front one. So like avocado pit, push it into the avocado, you know? And then on, right? So onto the foot, right here. This is the avocado pit. Push it in to the avocado, which is that front knee. And then on to the foot. Practice, practice, practice.
Practice.
Many different times. And I'm sure you're gonna get it, but practice it the right way. I'm LiWen, this is Tytus. We're from Dance Sandy. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye! 14,562 different ways that you can make mistakes on this forward lock.
If you make mistakes, then you will be doing it mistakenly. That would be a mistake. 3 things.
Uno, dos, trinos.
That's right. Which leg do you want to start with?
The middle one.